Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha Misra and I'm here to talk to you about my favorite classic reads. Mostly I have been reading a lot of classic literature after my post graduation, from the beginning of my post graduation as well. So I actually didn't used to read a lot more of classic literature ki kitabein when I was doing graduation because I wasn't really sure about pursuing English honors as my degree. But then after post graduation I felt like, yeah, I need to invest a lot more of time. So this is strategically after 2018 or 19 I started reading a lot more of classic literature. So around 50 to 60 books I've already read. So I think I'm in the position right now to talk a little bit about classic, क्योंकि क्लासिक लिटरेचर एक ऐसी टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में बात करने के लिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा ये ख्याल है कि मतलब आपको थोड़ा सा भेजे, मैं उस चीज़ के बारे में ज़्यादातर एक्सपीरियंसेस आइडियाज़ होना ज़रूरी है, यूं ही कुछ भी नहीं बोला जा सकता है. सो या, सो दीज आर सम ऑफ माई फेवरेट बुक्स, क्लासिक बुक्स जो मुझे बहुत बहुत पसंद है. एंड आई कीप ऑन गेटिंग बैक टू दीज वेन एवर आई फील लाइक आई एम अनएबल टू फाइंड द न्यू रीड. सो इट्स मोस्टली ऐसा होता है कि जो किताब मैं पढ़ चुकी होंगी उसी को मैं बार बार पढ़ लेती हूँ instead of jumping into some new book, because I have a lot of books. I have around 135 or 40 books. Still I prefer to read the books I have already read. That's completely a fault of mine. So yeah, शुरुआत करते हैं एक एक करके without wasting much time. The first one is, of course, you have heard a lot about it, Anne Frank का The Diary of a Young Girl, and it's a beautiful beautiful किताब. ये बहुत अच्छी किताब है. वन मस्ट रीड इट इन ऑर्डर टू नो हाउ द पीपल हैव एक्चुअली सफर्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड वॉर के टाइम में किस तरह से मतलब लोग अपने आप को बचा के रखते थे, एंड वाई दे वर एक्चुअली सफरिंग सच काइंड ऑफ इशूज. एंड इट वॉज समथिंग, until I read this book I had no idea that people were actually going through so much in the world war. I was like, yeah, concentration camps वगैरह हुआ करते थे. I'm definitely sure about it. But then after reading Viktor Frankl का A Man's Search for Meaning also, I got to know about gas chamber क्या होता था and मतलब क्या किया जाता था. So it was really very shocking for me. So the description here says the diary of a young girl is a singular moving look at World War II from a young girl's perspective. Anne Frank couldn't have known when she wrote these words that her musings would become primary sources of information about life during the Holocaust. Annie is a remarkably clever, thoughtful narrator, and her diary is as entertaining as it is a significant historical document as well. It as ki she never thought of it as one day her diary is going to get published or something. She just wrote whatever she felt, and some points were really weird as well, the relation with her father and everything. But then you should give it a read. This book needs a read. You should read this. It's a good book. The next one is A Little Princess by Frances Hodgson Burnett. I really loved this book. It actually sets up a very cozy vibe. बहुत cozy सा warm सा vibe भी देता है. And it also talks about the relationship between a father and the daughter, and how a girl who is just a little princess and trying to figure out everything in this certain age, 5-7 साल की बच्ची है, who is trying her best to not give up on the worst of the situations that she is facing right now. So yeah, it's like it's the act of bravery from this little cute girl is something that mesmerizes me in so many ways. You should give it a read, A Little Princess by Frances Hodgson Burnett. Also, after reading this book, I kept on calling myself, I'm a little princess, I'm a little princess. Every time I talk to my parents, I tell, I'm a little princess. So after reading this book, ये little princess वाला scenario शुरू हुआ था. Anyways, so the next book is okay. This book is going to shatter your heart. It is going to break your heart. It is going to give you a trauma of lifetime, maybe. Not maybe, at least of lifetime, but एक दो हफ्ते के लिए तो तुम उस trauma से बाहर निकल ही नहीं पाओगे. I assure you. So this is A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khalid Hosseini. I have been recommended to read The Kite Runner as well, but I don't want to take the risk anymore right now because मुझे नहीं रोना है अभी. अभी मेरे दिल का टुकड़ा टुकड़ा करना नहीं है. So I really don't want to invest my time right now on reading The Kite Runner because I'm damn sure I'm going to cry. I read this book and I don't want to spoil anything for you here. I just want you to read this book, and this is something like, ये सारी जो किताबें हैं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये सब ही once in a lifetime टाइप ऑफ किताबें हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मेरे ख्याल से, कि वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम ये किताब पढ़ लेना चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. सो या, I don't want to say anything specific about this. Just go and read it, just go and read it. बस मैं यही बोलूँगी, एक बार पढ़ो, अगर दिल तुड़वाना हो, रोना हो, you have to get out your emotions in some other way, read this book. It will make you cry and it will make you feel so many emotions at one point of time. So yeah. Okay, this is also a book, Kazuo Ishiguro ki kitab hai, The Remains of the Day. That this I have read while I was doing post graduation. Then I remember I didn't enjoy this book and I was like, what a weird kind of book it is. I'm unable to relate to any of the characters. But now, as I'm in the stage of adulting, I can relate to the character, the feelings, the emotions, and the feeling of alienation, the feeling of not being able to participate in so many stages of life while you were actually working on this one particular. Also, this book is a winner of the Nobel Prize in Literature, so you should give it a read definitely. So it's like a contemporary classic. The Remains of the Day is Kazuo Ishiguro's beautiful and haunting evocation of life between the wars in a great English house. And it's more like ये बहुत पर्सनल हद तक तुमको टच करेगा, सो ये किताब भी पढ़नी चाहिए. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द क्लासिक लिटरेचर आई वुड डेफिनेटली लाइक टू recommend. So yeah. The next book is Oscar Wilde's The Importance of Being Earnest. Of course, I have heard so much about The Picture of Dorian Gray. I haven't read it as of now. मुझे पता है उसका स्टोरी क्या है, because of course I have been preparing for UGC NET earlier, so I know most of the books की summary मुझे पता होती है, लेकिन I haven't read it. But this, I would definitely like to say, this is a piece of classic. This is a piece of work that everyone should read. बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से लिखी गई है. It's like the narration is really good. It is going to make you laugh at so many times. It is going to make you feel so much of emotions apart from just smiling and laughing. Emotions, it's really beautiful. The Importance of Being Earnest by Oscar Wilde. Please give it a read. Please give it a read. It is a trivial comedy for serious people. This is what is written in the subtitle kind of a format. So yeah, you should give it a read. This is a beautiful book. I definitely recommend this book to you all. Louisa May Alcott's Little Women. I definitely love this book. I really wanted to watch the movie, but लेकिन उसके लिए पैसे लगते हैं, so I didn't. But yeah, I love this book. I love the character Joe. I love all the characters, but Joe was somewhat my favorite because, of course, she was into books and I'm into books. So yeah, this is one of the most similar thing kind of. So yeah, I enjoyed this. It also gave me the feeling of cozy. अभी तो ऑटम का टाइम चल रहा है, अभी तो ठंड ठंड वाला टाइम चल रहा है, तो यू कैन जस्ट लाइट अप अ कैंडल एंड रीड दिस बुक. इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ वेरी कोजी feeling, a cozy vibe, calm and cozy and everything. This will take you through the struggles of a middle class, maybe lower middle class family, and how they're actually struggling through life and everything. So yeah, the first thing that I can see over here is, rich or poor, we will keep together and be happy in one another. So this is the promise that is being given, in between the four sisters, and that's really, really beautiful. You should read this book. I love this book personally. This is the next book. This is V.S. Naipaul's A House for Mr. Viswas. अभी तक मैंने पूरा ख़त्म नहीं किया है. I'm in the halfway, and I definitely enjoy this book a lot. Also, at the same point, I feel a heart-wrenching pain for the character Mr. Biswas for not having a particular place where he can, where he can go when he feels helpless, or there is no place as such, a home for that particular person. So this also made me think about so many people who do not really have home. घर नहीं है उनका. So the feeling of having a home, this is metaphorically and literally also applicable to all the metaphorical and literal representation. But yeah, I definitely love this book as far as I'm reading this, and I really wanted to recommend. I'm definitely sure this book is going to be in my favorite list, तो मैं पहले से ही recommend कर दे रही हूँ. Please give it a read. V.S. Naipaul की A House for Mr. Viswas. तो इनमें से बहुत सारी किताबें ऐसे हैं जो मुझे second hand मिला था. You won't believe this beautiful book I got from, I borrowed from someone, and that person has given this book to me. So I'm so happy about this. Then the next book I want to talk about is Willet by Charlotte Bront. I know many of you have been hearing about Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bront, but trust me when I say this, it is even better. Even better. I do consider, okay, maybe your opinions, you might disagree with me, but I loved Willet by Charlotte Bront way more than Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bront, and I didn't actually enjoy Wuthering Heights. But keeping that aside, Willet by Charlotte Bront is a beautiful, beautiful लिटरेचर, क्लासिक लिटरेचर, गॉथिक टर्म्स में भी है, इसमें बहुत कुछ अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं. इट इज़ अ मूविंग टेल ऑफ रिप्रेस्ड फीलिंग्स एंड सब्जेक्शन टू क्रूअल सर्कमस्टेंसेस एंड पोजिशन. Born with heroic fortitude, rising above the frustrations of confinement within a rigid social order, it is also a story of a woman's right to love and be loved. So yeah, you must give it a read. It is a beautiful book. ये बहुत अच्छी किताब है. There are so many other books also I want to recommend, but for that I'm going to make another video. And these are all the books that I wanted to talk about. These are my फेवरेट बुक्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ, अगर मैं क्लासिक लिटरेचर की बात करूं तो ये सारी किताबें मेरी बहुत बहुत पसंदीदा किताबों में हैं. इनके बावजूद भी बहुत सारी किताबें हैं जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन उसके लिए मैं एक और वीडियो बनाऊंगी, क्योंकि हर किताब के बारे में एक ही वीडियो में बोलना सही नहीं रहेगा. सो या, this is all that I wanted to share, and thank you so much for watching. And also you can write down in the comment section if you have some kind of recommendation for me. Apart from that, you can also ask me if any other kind of video you want regarding books or literature or postmodern or post colonialism के बारे में, literature के बारे में हो, या हिंदी की किताबों के बारे में हो, या ट्रांसलेशन के बारे में अगर कुछ पूछना हो कुछ, तो या you can ask me in the comment section. I'm definitely going to answer it and make a video regarding it. And I'm really sorry for not being able to make videos regarding all of it that you wanted. Someone has been asking me to make a video regarding literary terms from a very long period of time, but I'm really sorry for not being able to do that, because I'm really not in the right mental state right now to be able to look into बुक्स देखना, बुक्स पढ़ना, स्टडीज़ थोड़ा सा मेरा पीछे चला गया है, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा मैं मेंटली सही नहीं कर रही हूँ अभी लाइफ में. बट हो जाएगा. आफ्टर सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू फील बेटर एंड विल bounce back and come back to you all with a lot more of videos regarding books and all those things. So अभी तो मेरा unproductive days of my life वाला phase चल रहा है. देखते हैं धीरे धीरे कितना टाइम लगता है productive days of my life शुरू होने के लिए. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Also like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon. This has been talked to me by my viewers only. So yeah, I have to keep saying this in every video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.